everybody. So I'm going to go through a scenario with you where I have a med-only store and I just got recreational licensing. And so now what I need to do is I need to insert recreational prices on all of my products that are, let's say, 20% higher than my current med prices. This update makes that pretty easy. I'm going to go ahead and go to upload options and go to download. I'm going to choose my category that I'm updating here. And I'm going to download all of my prices. With that, I'm going to upload that here into a spreadsheet so I can make my changes. Here we go. So you can see all my prices right now, with the exception of a couple of items, have just med prices on them. This one has a both price on it. But let's say that my rec prices, I just want to make them 20% higher than my med prices. So I can do that pretty easily in a spreadsheet here. So I'm just going to say this is the price times 20% plus, and that's going to calculate my additional value plus the value of the current price. And so that comes out to 58.8. I'm just going to go ahead and bring that down to all these other fields. And there we go. Those are the prices set a little bit higher, 20% higher. But let's say my cost is the same. Doesn't matter if it's rec or med. From my supplier standpoint, the pricing that I pay my supplier is the same. So I'm just going to copy those over. So my med cost, my rec costs are equal. My OTD price is 20% higher than my med OTD price. I'm going to go ahead and leave my both price the same here. And same for this guy as well. Awesome. Now that I've got those updated, I'm going to go ahead and download this and then upload it back to Flowhub. And here we go. Just complete without errors. So what I should see now is I should now see that there are rec prices inserted onto all these products, 20% higher than what they had been. So we check the Zemusia Lime Diamonds here. Got my med price here. Got my rec price. Let's pick something that has fewer variants just to take a look at it. How about this Brilliant Diamond Live? Awesome. So here's my med price and my rec price. And that's it.